Hey guys. So this week we're going to be talking about a couple more countries in Europe. That continent we talked about last week, but there's so many countries in Europe that are so interesting. We needed a whole other week to talk about them. So the first country we're going to talk about this week in Europe is called Italy. Any of you ever heard of that country before? Italy? So what I have today is I have a book, and it's a book about a very famous Italian food, a food that comes from Italy. Pizza. One of my favorites. I hope one of your favorites too. I know a lot of you like to order pizza on Mondays at school, remember that? So this book is called La Pizza, which means the pizza. And guess what? This book is going to be written entirely in Italian. Do you speak Italian? I don't either. So I'm going to do my best to read these Italian words, and we're going to get to hear a whole book in a different language. But it's a really cool book because every page is telling us an action that the pizza chef is doing in Italian. And I'll bet just by looking at the picture, you're going to be able to guess what the word means as we get to it. Okay? So this book, La Pizza, I'm going to try my best to read it in Italian. We're going to see if we can figure out what the chef is doing in each picture. Okay? La pizza, escrito por Saturnino Romei, ilustrado por Annie Mitra. Do you think that's telling us the writer and the illustrator of this book? Let's find out. Medir. See what he's doing here? Ekar. Mezclar. Estirar. Lanzar al aire. Revolver. Untar. Picar. Espolvorear. Hornear. Oler. Cortar y comer. On the back of the book here, it has a recipe for making pizza in Italian. Now I want to go back here, and now I want us to try to see if we can guess what this chef is doing in each page, what these Italian words mean. And if you speak Spanish, a lot of the Italian words sound a little bit like Spanish words. So they have a little bit of the same parts in some of the words. But let's go back and look and see. Medir. Now he's got a measuring cup here. So what do you think he's doing here? Measure. Echar. Looks like maybe pouring. Mezclar. Mixing. Estirar. What's that? Maybe rolling. Lanzar al aire. Throwing in the air. Revolver. Stirring. Untar. Maybe spreading. Picar. Chopping. Espolvorear. Sprinkling? I don't know. I don't speak Italian. We have to take our clue from the picture, right? Hornear. Bake. Oler. What do you think that one is? Do you think he's smelling it? Do you think he's feeling it? Cortar. That looks like he's cutting it, right? Y comer. And eat. There you go. How to make a pizza written in the language where pizza actually comes from Italy, in Italian. That was a lot of fun. All right. I learned a couple new Italian words today reading this book. And when you eat pizza, instead of saying, I want a pizza, you say, I want la pizza in your best Italian accent. Bye, guys.